welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're diving into the world of ancient remedies that continue to provide incredible health benefits in our modern life, from oral health to pain relief and detoxification. These time-tested practices are making a strong comeback. Let's rediscover the secrets of traditional healing. Now, first off, we've got oil pulling. Oil pulling is absolutely amazing. It is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing a tablespoon of oil. Typically, we either use coconut or sesame oil in the mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. But why has this practice stood the test of time? Because of these three main key benefits. Let's talk about it. Number one, it reduces harmful bacteria. Now, studies have shown that oil pulling can reduce Streptococcus mutans, which is a bacteria that's responsible for cavities and gum disease. Number two, it prevents plaque buildup, and that is through the consistent, regular oil pulling. It prevents tartar and plaque from forming, and it ensures healthier teeth as well. And lastly, it promotes fresher breath, and it combats bad breath by eliminating toxins and bacteria from the mouth. Now, the science behind oil pulling lies in its ability to bind with fat-soluble toxins in the mouth. As you swish, these toxins are drawn out, leaving your oral environment cleaner and healthier. And modern research supports this practice as an effective way to combine with regular brushing and flossing. So how can you get started oil pulling? Well, there are 4 steps involved. It's simple, it's easy, and it's amazing if you stick to it as well. Number one, you choose a high quality oil. I recommend using either cold pressed coconut oil or sesame oil works best as well. You take 1 tablespoon and you swish it gently in your mouth for about 10 to 20 minutes. You spit it out in the trash can. Please do not use the sink because this can cause clogging and it will cause more problems later on for you. And then you rinse with warm water. You brush your teeth as usual. So let me know, have you tried oil pulling? Let us know your experience in the comment section below. Next ancient remedy is herbal poultices for pain relief. Now, this is a wonderful way to really help with relieving pain and inflammation, and it is through herbal poultices, and it is a simple and effective remedy that's been used for centuries to help with alleviating pain and promoting general internal healing as well. So the 3 main benefits to using it is it provides natural pain relief. We can use herbs like ginger, turmeric, arnica. All of these herbs have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2, it boosts and improves blood circulation because the heat and the active compounds in the poultice stimulate blood flow as well. And lastly, it speeds up the healing process because we're using antimicrobial herbs that can prevent infection in minor wounds and cuts. So herbal poultice, it works by allowing the medicinal properties of the herbs to penetrate deep into the skin, and the warmth helps to relax muscles, while the active compounds, it targets inflammation and pain as well. So here is a DIY herbal poultice recipe that I've used myself. Now, I want you to go ahead and choose your herbs. You can choose turmeric if you want an anti-inflammatory effect. You can use ginger if you want a warming effect, or you can use chamomile if you want a soothing effect. So choose one of these herbs, either turmeric, ginger, or chamomile. There are other herbs as well, but I'm just starting here with the basic DIY herbal poultice recipe for beginners. Then you're going to crush the herbs into a paste using a mortar and pestle. You're going to spread that paste onto a clean cloth or gauze, and you're going to heat it gently and apply it to the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, please, before you apply, always test a small amount of the herb on your skin first to check for any allergic reactions. Which herb would you use in your poultice? Do you want the soothing benefits? Do you want the anti-inflammatory benefits? Or would you like more to have a herb that helps you to relax your muscles as well? So just let me know in the comment section below. Next up, we've got cupping therapy, and this is more used for relaxation and detoxification. Let's dive into cupping therapy, and it is an ancient practice that dates back to thousands of years, and it is known for its ability to relax muscles, detoxify the body, and there are 3 main key benefits to cupping therapy. Number 1, it relieves muscle tension because it involves suction, and suction is created by the cuffs that loosen tight muscles. Number 2, it improves circulation because it enhances blood flow, promote healing, and reduces inflammation. And lastly, it supports detoxification because cupping helps to draw out toxins and stagnant blood from the body. So cupping therapy uses suction to create negative pressure on the skin, and this pulls blood to the surface. It encourages lymphatic drainage and it promotes natural healing processes. Now, many athletes and celebrities, they endorse this therapy for its wonderful benefits. Now, there are types of cupping. 3 types of cupping that I would like to talk about, starting with type number 1, which is dry cupping, and it focuses on suction alone. We've got type number 2, which is wet cupping, and this involves slight incisions to remove toxins directly. And lastly, we have fire cupping, which is a traditional method that uses heat to create suction. So what can you expect during a session? Well, during the session, a trained practitioner will start to place the cups on specific points of your body, and it aligns it with acupuncture points as well. You might feel a pulling sensation, but generally it is relaxing and generally it is non-invasive, especially if you use the dry cupping method. So let me know, have you tried cupping therapy? Tell us how it worked for you in the comments. So from the wisdom of oil pulling to the soothing touch of herbal poultices and rejuvenation of cupping therapy, these ancient remedies that I've shared with you are truly timeless. Incorporating them into your routine can transform your health naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Holistic Mom for more insights into holistic health and wellness. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great, amazing day. Bye-bye.